All right. Hey, what's wrong, good people? Welcome back. So it's back at me. 2017 Toyota Yaris-iA. What is this? The third generation. So between 2017 and 2018, that's the third generation. So if you have a car 2018 or 2017, it applies to you. I'm going to show you how to do the oil change. Before I jump into the action, I want to give shout outs to everybody that support the channel, everybody that is with me. Yeah, me, because I'm Donald Trump. Pirates. You need some help. Like, let's say I upload this video and you don't know certain things, like, oh, how many quarts, even though I'm going to mention it in the video, and I'm saying how many quarts, torque specifications and all that. You feel like you lost, you have questions. It's only right that I'm going to be asking you to cooperate with the channel. So if you have a question, you need some help, hit the right there or right here, hit the super tense. Do your thing, you know what I'm saying? Put the tip on the table. And then in order to help you, do that first, and then I'm gonna like tell you all you need to know. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, do all that. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. But if you have questions, you need some help, hit the super tense button. Do your thing, then go through that. Oh, all the items that I'm using in this car, in this for this oil change, you're gonna find it up here. You have up to 30 options to choose from. Like all the tools that I'm using here, it's right here. You see view products, click on that, you see the thing, you know what I'm saying? All right, let's get it. Let's do this. Come on. Shout out to everybody out from Japan to Peru and all that, all right? Yeah. Come on. Haven't seen a Yaris for a minute. This is how you open the hood right here, okay? The latch is gonna be right here. You need a kickstand to keep the hood up. Yeah, I mean, engine oil cap. It's gonna tell you the type of oil you need. 0W20, full synthetic. Oil dipstick. This is how you check the oil. All right. Windshield fluid reservoir, engine mount, alternator, intake, engine oil filter, fuse spots, battery, brake fluid reservoir, and all that. Probably you want to see the back. So there it is. Okay, not much. This is our 2017 Yaris-iA. Hey, don't forget the coolant reservoir, oil cap, radiator oil cap. Careful, don't open it when it's hot. Alright, let's drain the oil. See the baby right here? The cover though, that's the cover. Probably gonna have to remove just this. It's over here. Okay, it's kinda like the Mazda. It looks kinda like the Mazda too. Alright, Mazda is like this. I'm gonna remove this cover right here, alright? Look like an 8mm socket, okay? Alright. In this case, I'm gonna use an 8mm Allen, okay? 8mm, right? Or number 8, whatever you got. Let's see. You might get some. Here it comes. La, la, la. What you think about that? Is it too dirty? Can I go another 3,000 miles, 1,000 miles, 5,000 miles? Because this car uses full synthetic oil though. So, and over here, this is oil filter. You see what's up? Ooh! Oh, my bad. I thought I got oil on the camera. I'm trying to do it by hand though, but I'm gonna need the tool for this, okay? Alright, so right here, okay, that's the original though. Okay, I see. Okay, some over there. Okay. A lot of people are like, yo, you don't drain all the way the oil. I'm like, come on, bro, I do this. You see the goods. What the hell? Master. Made in Thailand. Why is this? Toyota and it has a Mazda. What? You see the tricky situation I'm in? Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna give you the right parts and how to do it right, okay? Because, like I said, like the design, like I seen Mazda doing that, having the Allen key drain plug right there and the oil filter right there. So it's kind of like I was like, this setup look familiar. All right, so here, we gotta clean that where the oil filter sits. Okay, I did. Then grab some oil. Look that. A lot of people are like, "Yo, don't use that oil. Don't lube it like that." Like, come on, bro. It's just oil, just to lube it. At the end, it's gonna do the same thing. Okay, but don't grab the dirtiest oil. You know what I'm saying, the one with the dirt and all that. Don't do that. This oil is still valid. You know what I'm saying. I'm gonna come through with the. It could be 8 or 9. Okay. Put that back, tight it, snug it with the 8 millimeter. You know what I'm saying. Pretty much. Here, tight and snug it. Okay. Pretty much. Boom. Put the cover back. All right. Put the oil. 0W20. Let me do 4. And then we'll go from there. Yeah, so I put 3.5 quarts first, right? You see, you don't check it. Yeah, look like I put 3 quarts. Do you hear that difference of revving? That means the oil went through now. I'm gonna shut it down. Pull out the dipstick. It's gonna be 4.5. Grab the dipstick right there. Then out in your face. Right at the money. You see that? I did it. Put it back. Work it back. There you go. I will get you right here. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. You know where to find me. It's me, Axtuo. Hey, remember that if you have any questions or you need some help regarding this or any other video in my channel, if you have questions, you need help, you got it stuck in your project, you know what I'm saying? Hit that super thanks. It's right there. Alright. If you need the tools that I use here in this video, click on view products. Okay, you have 30 options over there to choose from. Want to leave right here. Shout outs to everybody, subscribers, viewers. What you waiting for? Subscribe, like, share, comment. You want me to reach more people? Share this video, alright? Anything you want to say, put it in the comment box. I'm gonna leave right here. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Axtuo, boom. Yeah. You thought I was on my way out, huh? I gotta show you how to do the oil life reset in this baby. This is Yaris Toyota, but it look like Mazda though. It's funny. This car is funny. Yo, you're gonna tell me if I'm lying though. This car just look like Mazda though. Look where they control the buttons are. Tell me if this thing doesn't look like Mazda though. Look at this. But it's Toyota. Huh, alright. Reset the oil life. Go applications. Turn this to the left, right, up, down, but you don't need that. Left, right. Go home. Let's press home, right? Press home. My bad. Turn to the left. Press the button, this button, to go in. It's like enter. You're gonna be there. Go maintenance, click. Schedule, click. Go down, reset. Reset. Click. Alright. Now you're Gucci. Now you're not gonna see anything over here, alright? That's how you get rid of that the message for maintenance. Holla at your boy, you know where to find me. Axtuo, yeah.